Good afternoon, all. Is the voice is audible? Screen is visible? Okay, mark your attendance. Okay, good afternoon, everyone. This is the video lecture on design and analysis of algorithms. We are currently discussing with module 2, divide and conquer strategy. So under that, we are discussing with a topic called binary search using divide and conquer strategy. Okay. So in that we have seen two types of algorithms. One is iterative binary search. The other one is recursive binary search. So iterative binary search and recursive binary search. So today is a very important class. So kindly understand the concepts carefully because all this will be the problematic part. Okay. So kindly go through and you have to understand the concept well. Then only you can solve the problems. Okay. So for that, we go with some of the examples here. So first we have gone with two types of algorithms. One is recursive, so other one is iterative binary search. So this is the very important one. So you go through this particular thing. So this is the very important concept. Okay. So it's very important concept. Kindly understand. So when you go with a iterative search, so keep this one in your mind. If X is first you will find whether the low is greater, less than or equal to high. So if low is less than or equal to high, what is the case you do? So you are going with finding the mid element. So middle is equal to low plus high by 2. Okay. So come for these conditions. These are very important. If the key element is less than mid, so if key element is less than mid, you change the high position. So keep this one in your mind. When the key element is less than mid, so which parameter will be changed? High parameter will be changed. If key is greater than A of mid, which parameter will be changed? Low parameter will be changed. So keep in your mind, if there are 10 elements, okay. So if there are 10 elements, so first element will be pointed by low and last element will be pointed by high. Okay. So answer for this, if there are, so where the low and high point. So kindly answer here. So where the low and high will point. So if there are 10 elements, okay. So where does the two pointers point to? So where the low will point and where the high will point. So take the example, if there are 10 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. So low will point at where and high will point at where? So low points to first element and high points to 10th element, that is last element. Okay, so keep in your mind, if the key element, this is very, very important conditions. If key element is less than mid, A of mid, that means mid is the position, A of mid is the value. If key is less than A of mid, so where the high will come? I is equal to high, which is at last position, will come to mid minus 1. Okay. So similarly, if key element is greater than A of mid, so what is the case? Low will move to mid plus 1. Okay. So if key is less than mid, where you will go? You will come for the left part. If key is greater than mid, you will go with the right part. So this is the iterative binary search. Okay, so now you come for the example. This is the example what we have to do here. So let us select the 14 entries. So here we are starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many elements are there here? 14 elements are there. And you are starting from 1 and you are ending with 14. So what is the low and high value? So for this example, what is low and high value? And anybody can tell what is low and high? Sorry, low is the pointer. Low is the pointer. Low is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the position. You are not going with A of low. A of low is minus 15. A of I is 151. This is the 151 is okay. But low is equal to first position and high is equal to 14th position. Okay. So now I give the key element is equal to 151. Okay. Low, high, mid. What is the initial low value? Low is 1. What is the high value? High is 14. So first you have to find middle element. What is mid? That is low plus high by 2. So low plus high by 2. 1 plus 14 by 2. 1 plus 14 by 2 will give 15 by 2 is nothing but 7.5, but mid is a integer. So take it as 7. So mid is 7. What is A of 7? So mid you are having it as 7. What is A of 7? This is A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4, A of 5, A of 6, A of 7. A of 7 is 54. Compare key element. So 151 is greater than 54. If key element is greater than middle element, what you do? If key element is greater than mid element. So what you will do? If key is greater than mid, so you have to change low is equal to mid plus 1. So keep it this one in your mind. That's why I'm telling you. So this is the iteration you have to do and show me. Okay. That's why I'm telling. So if the key element is 151 is greater than middle element is, so middle position is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 151 is greater than 54. So now you have to change low to, because so as you know, key element is greater than middle element. Low is equal to mid plus 1. Where is mid? It is 54. Mid plus 1 means it goes to 8 position. So what is low now? It is 8 and high remains 14. So now you calculate mid. So it is 8 plus 14 by 2. 8 plus 14 by 2, 8 plus 14 is equal to 22. 22 by 2 is equal to 11. What is A of 11? Now you have to check with 11. So this is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What is the A of 11? A of 11 is, A of 11 is, this is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. A of 11 is 121, 125. That is 151 is greater than 125. So what you will do? So can you answer? 151 is greater than 125. So what you do? Sorry, it is 151 is greater than 125. So what you will be going to do? So you will go with, again, you go with a key element is greater than middle element. So go with low is equal to mid plus 1. So what is the middle element here? That is 11. So 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. Now you go with 12. 12 with high remains 14. 12 plus 14 is equal to 26. 26 by 2 is equal to 13. So 11 position you are having 125. 12th, 13th position you have 142. So key element is 151 is greater than 142. So what you do? So what you do, as key element is greater than A of mid, you are going to make low is equal to mid plus 1. Again, what is the mid element? 13. Mid plus 1 will go 14. So 14, 14. So now you, what is the average you are getting? 14 plus 14 is equal to 28 by 2. So 28 by 2 will go with 14. So now you compare A of 14 with key element 14. That is 151. What is A of 14? It is 151. So here it is 151. 151 is greater than 151. So now you are finding, now the element is found here. So now you are going to give it as element found. So have you understood this particular example? Have you understood? So that means you are keep on checking only with the last element, you are keep on trying. Okay. So that's why if you are going with the last element, high remains same, but low keeps on changing. Okay. Have you understood? Respond in the chat box. Shall I go with the next example? Okay. So now you come for the second example. So this is the first one. This is the second example we are taking here. Just you have to go through the elements here. So I have given, this is an array. Where is, what is the values of low and high? For this particular example, what is the value of low and high? What is the values of low and high? Low equals 1 and I is equal to 14. So now you see what is the key element given? Minus 14. So is the element is there here? By seeing, can you tell whether the element minus 14 is there in this particular array? Is it there? I want the answer from the people in the chat box. So is the element minus 14 is there in this particular array of 14 entries? But you have to go with the iteration and you have to tell. Okay, you have to go with the iteration and tell. So first you come for low and high. So 1, 14. So that will give you the same thing. That is 1 plus 14 by 2 is 15 by 2. We take it as 7. So now you compare seventh position. What is the element you are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seventh element is 54. Minus 14 is lesser than 54. So if minus 14 is lesser. So if it is lesser, if it is greater, what you do? You go with low parameter shifting. If it is lesser, what you will do? You will come with a high parameter shifting. Okay. If key element is less than A of mid is 54. Minus 14 is less than 54. At that time, what you will do? High is equal to mid minus 1. So where is high? So I is at 151. It is coming for mid minus 1. What is mid? Mid is 50, that is 7. It is coming on to 6. So here you can see low is 1, but high you are getting it as 6. Because if the key element is lesser than A of mid, so you go with I is equal to mid minus 1. So middle element is 54, mid minus 1 is 6. So now you come for again 1 plus 6 is equal to 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is equal to 3.5. You take it as 3. So what is the middle element? 1, 2, 3. So that is 0. Minus 14 is less than 0. So at that time you go with what condition? So minus 14 is minus 14 less than 0? Answer here is minus 14 less than 0. Is minus 14 is less than 0? Yes. Okay. So minus 14 is less than 0. So now you make I is equal to mid minus 1. What is the high you are having? So where is high? So it is pointing at, you have to go treat my mid minus 1. So mid minus 1 is 3, minus 1 is 2. So now low is 1, high is 2. 1 plus 2 by 2. So 1 plus 2 by 2 is equal to middle element is 1. So that you will get it as 1.5, but it is 1. So now you check with the condition. Now you see here, key element is minus 14 is less than minus 15. So tell me the condition is minus 14 is less than minus 15. Is minus 14 is less than minus 15? So you have to tell, is minus 14 is less than minus 15. No, the condition is false. Okay, so you go on to minus 1, minus 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, so if you go minus 14 afterwards, you will get it as minus 15. So condition is, so minus 14 is greater than, that is minus 14 is greater than A of mid. At that time, you go with low is equal to mid plus 1. Okay, so keep it this one in your mind. Minus 14 is not less than minus 15. It is greater than minus 15. So that's why you take it as low is equal to mid plus 1. What is the middle element? That is 1. So mid plus 1 is 2. So now low becomes 2. High will be 2 only. 2 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2. So 0, again you are getting it as 0. Minus 14 is less than 0. So minus 14 is less than 0. So what you will be getting? So what you will be getting? Minus 14 is less than 0. Now you make high is equal to mid minus 1. So middle element is 2, mid minus 1 is 1. So now you go with low is equal to 2, high is equal to 1. So Is the condition true or false? So what happens to, so what is the condition? Low should be less than or equal to high. But what is low here? 2. What is high here? 1. So 2 is less than or equal to 1? Is 2 less than or equal to 1? Answer here. Is 2 is less than or equal to 1? No. Okay. So at that time it comes outside the for loop. Okay. So that's why you are telling it as, you are getting it as not found. Understood? So this is the iteration what you are going to have it. So in the exam, they will give you the question like this, and you have to show the iteration wise and tell whether the element is found or not. Okay. So I understood the examples. Have you understood both the examples, found and not found? So currently there are 40 participants, but I am not getting any responses in the chat box. Are you people understanding? Shall I continue with the next? Okay. Okay, so I will start with the next example. So now the key element we have taken it as 9. So first element is 1, high element is 14. So you'll be getting it as 7. What is A of 7? It is 23. So A of 7, you see, low, so A of 7. What is A of 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 9, key element is 9 is less than 54. If 9 is less than 54, what you will do? I is equal to mid minus 1. So now you get 1 and 6. Okay. So 1 and the first, this is the final iteration they have given here. 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 will get you 1 plus mid minus 1. So mid minus 1 is 6. So here it will be 1 only. So 1 plus 6 is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 will go with 3. So what is the A of 3? 1, 2, 3. So 9 is less than 3. So is 9 is, key element is 9 is less than 3. So again you go. So now you change to 4. So when you go with the, do with the iterations, so you will be getting low is equal to 4, I is equal to 6, middle element is equal to 5. So fifth element 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth element you are getting it as 9. So at that time you take it as found. Okay. So this is not the complete solution they have given. So this is the final solution. Initial and final they have given. You have to work it out using the algorithm. Okay. So you work. So can you work on this example? So you have to work it out. Then only you can. Can you work on this example? Okay, this is up to implementation of binary search. Now you come for the analysis. So analysis, you can go with a time complexity. So this is a very, very important concept you should have. So recurrence relation for worst case. So recurrence relation means if the problem is big, what is the case? You are going to divide the problem into half. Okay, so example, in our binary search only, middle element you are finding left part and right part. It is the entire array is divided into two. So what is the recurrence relation? So the proof is given there. T of n is equal to T of n by 2 plus C. What is T of n? So T of n is equal to T of n by 2 plus C. You can refer my notes. The recurrence relation is given there. Okay, so you can go through that particular thing there. Okay, so what is come for the successful and unsuccessful searches? So when you get it as successful search, so successful search is, so when you find the key element as middle element. So when you find key element as middle element, so at that time only you will be getting it as, so best case. So when you will be telling it as best case, so when you find the key element as middle element, you take this one as best case. Okay. So when you get it as worst case, so worst case is when you go with the last element. So best case is when the key element is equal to middle element, that is the best case. When the worst case is when the key element is the last element. So that is first element is, that key element is 1. That's why we take it as 1. Okay, if it is a middle element, it is the best case. If it is the last element, you take it as log n. That is the worst case. And average case also, you take it as log n only. So best case is theta of 1. Average case is log n. Worst case is log n. Unsuccessful. So when you have the word unsuccessful, when the element is not found. So when you tell the answer, when it is not found, you when you keep searching for last element. So that is why we take it as log n. For successful search, best is 1, average is log n, worst is log n. For unsuccessful, it is theta of log n will be the best, average, worst case. Okay, so this is the analysis. So now you come for the important analysis of these things. Space complexity. When you go with the iterative search, it has iterative constant memory space. Okay, so you have to keep this one. So iterative binary search, you take it as constant memory space. Under recursive, it is proportional to stack. So pros and cons. Okay, pros means advantages. So it is efficient on big list and can be implemented iterative as well as recursive. Now you come for the disadvantages. So it interacts poorly with memory hierarchy, requires sorted list as input. Due to random access, needs array instead of linked list. Okay, so these are the analysis what you are going through in the binary search algorithm. Okay, so it when you are having, it interacts poorly with memory hierarchy, requires sorted list, and it requires, arrays instead of linked list. So that's why we are telling it, tells it as arrays instead of linked list. So have you understood up to here? Have you got the things up to here? Okay, that is up to algorithm binary search. Okay, so I've given the notes. In the notes, you go through the recurrence relation, derivation, and all. In the notes, we have given the recurrence relation derivation. So how you get T of n is equal to T of n by 2 plus C. So how you get this average, worst case, best case, everything are given in my notes. You can refer my notes. Okay. So any doubts? Any doubts, you can tell me. Have you reply in the chat box? Okay, so I hope you have understood everything. Okay, I will be ending this particular class. So thank you all. Be safe. Stay home. Thank you.